Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are y'all's apples rotten to the core? I know it's been like 2 weeks. I don't have any excuses for that. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup look that is inspired by Charli XCX's new album called BRAT, I think, or is a song called BRAT. I don't know, but it's inspired of the 2 colors from that album. It feels like the whole entire album has been shoved down my throat on TikTok. Like, I hear the audio every single day, multiple times a day, and you know, not to say that I don't like the song. It feels like someone also put a mind control mask on my head and they repeated the song over and over again until I was like, yes, it sounds good. So I mean, like, the song is catchy, especially the one that I referenced to in the beginning, but you know, definitely not one of my faves of her songs. I like some of her like older songs, but that's besides the point. We're gonna be doing that makeup today, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I am gonna leave y'all for a bit. I'm gonna do my brows and my base off camera, but the details of that will be posted on my Instagram because I am thinking about posting my makeup looks onto my Instagram. I'll explain that more in the next clip, but you know, brows and base off camera, and then I'll come back. Okay, so actually, you guys, I am gonna film this part of me doing my makeup. I did my brows on TikTok, so you can go to my TikTok if y'all want like a semi-tutorial on how I made them look so thin compared to how they were before. But yeah, now we're gonna do this little under eye thing. So I just took some white concealer, and then now I'm gonna take these 2 Juvia's Place liners, and I'm going to color the concealers with this liner in hopes that I get like a really nice green color, like a light green color. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the yellow. Okay, I'm gonna put it like right under my brow bone. It definitely is not giving exactly what I want it to do. So I'm just gonna do the same exact thing to the other side just to make it all even. I'll be back when I do the next step of my eyeshadow look. See y'all then. Hi guys, so I just finished with my base and I'm very happy with it. It looks very nice. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all up close because, you know, I always say that my bases look nice, but I never like show y'all. So you're probably like, girl, the base does not look good. Yes, it does. This is what makeup looks like in real life because everyone has skin and skin has texture, and everybody's skin has texture, and no matter what, when you put makeup on top of skin, this is what happens. Okay, this is what everyone's makeup look like. And I have a theory about it, and I feel like if a person's makeup does not have texture like this, like, then they're lying about something because skin has texture. Okay, anyways, now we're gonna start on our eyeshadow look. I'm gonna be taking different greens and I'm going to, you know, do the whole process. Okay, I'll do one eye with y'all and then one eye off camera. Okay, I'm a little nervous, but we're gonna get through this. I have a little bit of white on this brush. Let's get started. I'm putting the light right in my inner corner and I'm kind of dusting it out a little bit. Me doing this look is super bold because I honestly don't even have a lot of eyelid space to even be doing this. I mean, not eyelid space, but like spaces on the side of my eye, on my inner corner. I'm going to go in with a bunch of greens and we're just gonna go and just try and make that green show up, honestly. So I just kind of want to talk about this a little bit. So I'm thinking about posting my actual makeup looks on my Instagram. Like, if you look at my Instagram right now, it's extremely bare. Like, I don't have any of my recent looks posted, and honestly it's because I just, whenever I finish my makeup look, I just never posted it, which I do regret now. So I am going to start uploading my makeup looks to my Instagram, and like how I did my base. If you liked how that looked, if you go to my Instagram when I post this makeup look, I'll also post the picture for this look, and under that it'll have pretty much just all the materials that I use kind of summed down very basically in the comment section. If you want more clarification on, you know, what product or what shade, then I'll answer that in the comment section on any of my social medias. So just wanted to let y'all know that. And before that, I'm gonna post some of my other makeup looks as well on there, but they won't have all the details in it because obviously I don't remember the details by now, so sorry. But for the other looks, yeah, those will be on there by then, hopefully. But yeah, I've been really wanting to upload those. I just feel like I just need to do that because, I mean, my Instagram's pretty bare right now. It looks like I don't even do makeup until you swipe over to look at my reels, and that is something that I'm going to do. now I'm literally just going back and forth between all the different shades, and I'm just like trying my best to make everything present and just make it so that everything is just there on my face, because it's a little hard to make the stuff show up in the way that I want to. This makeup looks like mold. It looks moldy. Okay, well, I'm gonna keep doing this process of just applying stuff and then blending and stuff, and I'll be back once this is finished, and then we'll move on to the next step of this makeup look. Okay guys, for the most part, I have finished up with my eye makeup. I forgot to do this other part of my makeup, so we're gonna do it right now. So I'm gonna take a little bit of one of my lighter shades of green, and then I'm gonna come up here and try to make it green up there as well on my brow bone. I think that's what that is, right? But the thing is that I want to make it like really pale green, like not too visibly green, but obviously like lighter than the rest of my makeup. Like that. That's perfect. I'm gonna do the eyeshadow on this side off camera, and then I'll be back once just the basic eyeshadow is done, and I'll be back to do the eyeliner part with you guys. Okay, I'm excited because it's actually turning out, you know, how I wanted it to, so I'm very excited about that. See y'all. I just finished up with the green, and I'm seeing something which it's not a good something, but I'm not going to point it out, but we're just going to continue because that's what I need to do right now. So for this part, it's actually quite complicated, like the idea of it. I just can't get it through my head of like what I'm supposed to be doing exactly. So essentially what I'm trying to do is I want to make an overall oval on my eye. I don't know. I think what I'm going to do is I will start off with this brush, and I'm going to put it on black. I'm going to kind of sketch it out a little bit and then go in with the actual eyeliner. So I'm kind of scared though. Still very, very scared. Let's go in. I mean, how else am I supposed to do it, right? Okay, I've kind of sort of mapped out what I'm gonna do. Now I'm going to slightly cover this stuff up with eyeliner in the best way possible. Let's see, I think I'm gonna do the inner corner first. Taking a little break, so I need to do my eyes watering right now. I want my inner corner to be rounded a little bit more than, you know, this. So we're gonna keep on going. We're gonna hope for the best. My eyes watering, like actually, I feel like it's about to come out. I'm gonna let my eye rest, and then I'm gonna come back once I'm ready to start again. Okay, so y'all see that? That's literally perfect. Now I'm gonna do it to the back. Do you guys even see the little circle that I have back there? Can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see it too well, but I'm going to just fill this in off camera, and then I'll come back once this one is also done. Okay guys, so I've just finished up with the eyeliner, and yes, it does look very crazy. Yes, I noticed something again, but I'm not gonna say it once again. I think that it will all come together in the end. I mean, right now, compared to my plan of this makeup, it's looking pretty good, you know? It just is what it is at this point. Like, I can't really do much about spilt milk. So let's move on to the next part of this video. So for this next part, I wanted to highlight around my eyes using a shade that's close to green, and this is the only thing I have that's close to green. Okay, now if you see that sticker, that's supposed to be the color of this product. Do you know why that is bad? Because it's not green. Okay, that might not look too good with this makeup, you know? But I don't think I have anything else, so sadly I might just have to use it. Sadly, I look very crazy right now. I do have this color though, that color right there. I think what I'm gonna stamp this around my eye. First of all, that's what we'll do first. Just kind of stamp it around there. I don't know. I don't really know if that's doing anything or not, but I definitely am gonna do it. It might create the illusion of like a glowing look. Well, that looks a little bit better. Still not like how I want it to. So we are going to be using this shade right here, the Juvia's Place liner, in the shade Electric Lime. We're going to lightly line these little blobs. Ooh, yo, this is amarillo, okay? We'll do it super lightly, okay? Super light, but we're still going to do it nonetheless. It looks a little odd. It's giving Brazil. It kind of reminds me of like Brazilian colors, but I'm just gonna keep going with it because it might look good. This is how it looks. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and then I'll come back. Okay guys, now I'm gonna take a really bright shade of green and I'm gonna pat around my eyes once again, and I think that's how we're gonna leave the eyes for now. In an attempt to kind of make it look like the yellow was a greener color. Okay. White. And I'm gonna put that on my inner corner just a little bit. How long has it been since I've actually applied glitter with y'all? But today you guys are going to be applying glitter with me. Yay! Of course, I want a green glitter, so we're just going to choose a bunch of different glitters. Actually, I have 3 different glitters in front of me that I chose out of all my different glitters. I'm only going to use these 2 colors right here because these actually reflect green, but they're like invisible glitters. Hope that makes sense. And then I'm going to use this little pink glitter right here, and you're probably like, girl, it's pink, like why would you use that glitter? The reason why is because it actually is mainly reflecting green. Like, I don't even know, just from me turning this glass, can y'all see how its main reflector is green? And then last but not least, this Fenty Beauty, because it's just the classic glitter shade, so why not, you know? Let's get started on glittering. I actually don't really know about the placement of this glitter. I know in my picture I'm saying like underneath my eye, but I'm not too sure if I really want that underneath my eye like that. Okay, that's cute so far. I'm going to use some of this glitter, so I'm going to put it on my hand first, and then I'll tap it onto my face. I've actually just remembered that I was supposed to do blush first, so let's actually turn over to start doing blush. The Queen palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using a mix of Sister to Sister and Ouen. So first we're going to take Sister to Sister, and we're going to apply that just like basically all over my cheek. Now I'm going to take the darker shade and I'm going to put that mainly just like right here on my face. Now I'm going to blend this out. A little bit of this Fenty, and I'm going to put that also just a tiny bit under my eye. Okay. I'm also going to put just a tiny bit above my eye, the tiniest bit. So I'm actually going to be using this Older Becca highlighter palette, and I'm literally going to be using this shade that's right there in the middle where it says Becca. That's exactly what I'm going to use. Pray for me because this is a super light shade. I'll see you guys in the next step. Hey guys, so I just finished with the gems and extra highlighter and stuff, and if you guys want to see that process, since you know it's not going to be in this video, please go over to my TikTok and that process will be posted over there eventually. Okay, so now we're going to start on the lippy. Today we're going to do something a tiny bit different than you know what I usually do, so yeah, stay tuned if you guys want to see. Okay guys, so now to make sure this stays in place, I'm going to powder my lips. Okay, I'll BRB once I'm ready to go on to the next step. I just did a little bit of reinforcing the lippy, so I actually went in with this like really matte everlasting liquid lipstick by KVD. I'm going to go in a bit of green in the middle of my lips. Okay y'all, so now I'm going to put a tiny bit of glitter on my lips. I'm going to be so serious, I might not be able to talk after this because the lippy might move or whatever. So I'm going to use this expensive behind MAC lip gloss. And I might use a little bit of this for some glitter. This is the NYX Glitter Gloss in the shade Bring the Bling. really nice. But I have to stop talking because it just gets really weird, so I can't really talk too much. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video.